Are you looking to install the Stable Diffusion model in ComfyUI? Let's go through the simple steps to integrate this model into your ComfyUI setup. To download the Stable Diffusion model, you have several options, including platforms like Hugging Face and Civitai. I recommend using Civitai, as it offers a vast selection of models and rich content for your needs. First, visit the Civitai website at civitai.com. Next, click on the Models tab. Click on Filters in the page menu. In the pop-up window, select Checkpoint under the Model Types section. If you need a specific version, choose it under Base Model. Browse through the available models and select the one you want. Click on the model card to access its details page. Then click the blue Download button to download it. Some models require you to log in before downloading. You can also search for models by using the search bar. After downloading, open the ComfyUI folder on your computer. Navigate to the Checkpoints folder. To manage different model versions, you should create subfolders like SD 1.5, SD 2.0, SDXL. As you can see, the base model for this model is SD 1.5. Therefore, I will create a folder named SD 1.5. Then, move the downloaded model into the newly created folder. Restart or refresh ComfyUI. In the interface, select the Load Checkpoint node and check if your model appears in the list. I have just guided you on how to install the Stable Diffusion model in ComfyUI on your PC. Next, I will guide you on how to install it on Google Colab. First, click on your avatar, scroll down, and select Account Settings. Next, scroll down and select the API Keys section. Click on Add API Key, then give your API key a name. And now we have the API key ready. Now open Google Colab, then add a new code cell. First, create a directory named SD 1.5 by this code. Then, download the model using the following syntax, which you can find in the description of this video. After the download is complete, you can check it in the Checkpoints folder of ComfyUI. Now you know how to install the Stable Diffusion model in ComfyUI. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to stay updated with the latest tutorials. Thank you for watching.